Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about how to choose safe wheel spaces. In fact, wheel spaces, good or bad, determines the safety of spaces. And the same as wheels, wheel brakes, and body kit, they are only quality products that can ensure driving safety. For more information, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.